discuss.
Good morning, candidates. This is for Federal Bank Probationary Officers Recruitment. रिश्ता आपसे है, सिर्फ आपसे नहीं. This is recruitment for probationary officers. Similar recruitment was done last year, in which nearly 120 plus officers were recruited. Nearly 80 plus clerks were also recruited through us. Now let me tell you about, and you can depend on this stage with us for a written test, model papers, and I will guide you how to prepare for the written test. Of course, the actual practice has to be done by you only. I will guide you overall guidance. And the date of notification is 31st July. Last date of note applications 12th August. Proposed date of the mock test. That is, you will be allowed to write a mock test about the examination using your own computer in your own house. Unlike IBPS, here you will be writing the test in your own house. You must have a good Wi-Fi connection, good laptop, and say it is in good condition. Proposed online aptitude test is 1st September 2024. And if we go by the speed with which they used to work earlier, the result will be announced before 8th of September. Interview will be conducted probably from 15th or 17th of September. It will be conducted. What is the educational qualification? Post graduation from a university incorporated on that is, you must be a postgraduate, that is with 3 years and 2 years degree, and you must have scored 60% marks right from 10th class, 12th class, and all your degree. The candidate should have a minimum aggregate of 60% and above throughout class 10, class 12, diploma, and post-graduation. The age as on 1st of August 2024 is that you shall not exceed 27 years. That is, should be born on or after 1st June 1997. However, candidates with at least 1 year experience in banking, financial services, and insurance sector as on 1/6/2024 shall be eligible on relaxation of upper age limit by 1 year, and they shall not exceed 28 years. That is the thing. Age of SC/ST candidate shall not exceed 32 years. I think for OBC, no concession. Only citizens of India are eligible to apply. Candidates who are passing or passed out of post-graduation in the academic year 2023-24, they are also eligible to participate in the selection process. But you must have passed all the previous tests also. By now, you must be having a valid degree. And candidates who appeared for any personal interview of Federal Bank more than once, that means if you have appeared twice during the period 1/1/2022 to 31/6/2024, shall not be eligible for current selection process. Graduation course must entail minimum 3 years education. Then post-graduation course 2 years. Equivalent certificate and competent authority shall be submitted. They should ensure that you are eligible for the selection process. Candidates are invariably required to produce supporting document certificates in proof of eligibility, age, educational qualification, work experience, nationality. Year-wise, semester-wise mark sheet for each year in respect of qualifying examination should be produced. Aggregate percentage obtained by the candidate would be ascertained based on the practice followed by the board or university. In case candidates are awarded CGPA or grades, percentage should be arrived based on equivalent certificate produced by the board or university or institution. The minimum aggregate percentage prescribed for any of the examinations, that is 10, 12, diploma graduation, post graduation, is not allowed to be rounded off. For example, a candidate who has an aggregate of 59.99% or grade point equivalence will not be permitted to appear for the selection. Bank reserves the right to raise the or modify minimum eligibility standard. Decision of the bank is final. Scale of pay right now they have 48,480 as the basic, goes up to 85,000. Officer will also be eligible for dearness allowance, lease rental, house rent allowance, city conveyance allowance, medical and other allowances, and perquisites as per rules in force from time to time. The cost to company per annum would be minimum 12.21 lakh per annum and maximum of 16.31 lakh upon the place of posting. The take-home pay will be approximately 80,500 per month, including statutory deductions like income tax, profession tax, NPS, etc. Location: candidate selected for the post of officer in junior management shall be posted anywhere in India. Probation 2 years. Selection rounds, online aptitude test, group discussion, and personal interview. You can send rupees 499 at this stage to Gpay. Number is 9003037557, and I will send you the model papers. You have to practice it. And if good number of students join, maybe we can have some sessions wherein we will discuss the strategy to be adopted by us for succeeding. Once you clear this test, next stage of group discussion and personal interview also, you will be depending on me. You can depend on me. I will tell you the amount to be remitted by you then. That will be separate. Every selection round will be elimination stage. The bank reserves the right to shortlist only requisite number of candidates. Online aptitude test group discussion will be conducted virtually, that is online, and personal interview will be conducted across various interview centers in offline mode unless otherwise decided by the bank. The mode of selection of process will be depending upon the prevailing situation, number of candidates, discretion of the banks. Marks, ratings secured by the candidates during the selection rounds will be confidential and the same will not be disclosed at any point of time. Decision of the bank with respect to qualifying criteria in each selection round will be final. Service level agreement: you have to execute a service level agreement for being serving in Federal Bank for 2 years or pay a sum of rupees 50,000 towards the cost of training. The interview will be conducted in these say 521 places they have given here. Then how to apply? Please go through this advertisement. You apply before 12th of August. Candidates, you please go through application registration. You have to pay a fees of 700 if you belong to general or others. That is OBC also will pay 700. SC, ST also will pay 140. GST at rates applicable 18% you have to pay. Payment of fees, how to pay, it is given here. Then scanning, uploading, photograph and signature that is also given. The selection test consists of this: English, reasoning, maths, a socio-economic awareness, computer awareness, sales aptitude, total 100 marks, time 75 minutes. I will guide you about this test. Negative marks 0.25 for wrong answers. This is what it is. At this stage, you can pay rupees 499 to Gpay or phone pay 9003037557. I will send you the materials online and you can practice. And when good number of students, say 10-15 students join, then I will arrange for classes for you. Thank you. Best wishes.